Kagadi Government General Hospital irwara ryayambikira umwaka gwa 1968 n'irwara ritwire ryegwira amasiko g'emitwaro n'emitwaro y'abantu omuri Kagadi hamwe na district eziri hihi hamwe n'abantu abamwe abarikuruga omu ihanga rya Democratic Republic of Congo. Bitobwa hati embere y'irwara ririmu neerarikiriza ahabw'okuba ebyombeko bikuzire kandi embere egi erarikirize n'abebembezi nka Honorable Stephen Twesigye Rurekere MP wa Buyaga East oshiraho irwaro rero.
Infrastructure y'irwaro lino neyendebwa special attention neyetaga eriiso erinyahukana kuruga ha government habwokuba irwaro lino obwokuba norora kuruga hano kugenda Toro nambe hali irwaro erihereire eri kuhondera liri mu kilomita 905.
Infrastructure of this hospital to a level of unacceptable standard of the general hospital before we even look at anything. The statistics we have are the ones that are going to qualify us in our hospital. And indeed these people have the statistics.
Honorable Stephen Rurekere mbere yashanjaho irwaro reri nagira ngo yomera rikirize ko kushaba government okwimjiramu aho naho ukoreba ko bakucungura abantu ba Kagadi omubuhereza bw'ibyamagara.
Kubanza bali bakozi baina about percent anana isate abakozi abakwetagibwa mu irwaro baine ibizibu bya infrastructure wards abantu bakuyama ha floor babyamira floor mu uburaro bw'abakozi bukwisana hano ngeri mu kurora buli kimu ekiro mu irwaro muno really kikayikuire
irwaro tuwelera kutunga 1 billion na milioni 15 mpaka 12 that was our projection for 2024 month. But sentezo ideally sentezo kusinga more than 50% of it is charged on a credit line. Zine za imibazi ziteka mwene mwezi then balikara bakora ki basara zile milioni karukaga then ideally kibanki maisha milioni karusanju nizo zikuba zihirwa kuija on a quarterly basis.
Urwe bya sente hirwaro reri Musime Miradi nagira ngo ne sente z'irwaro riri kutunga n'ince mnonga ziri kubabasa gukora na kimwe cya kabiri ice byetago by'irwaro reri.
Maybe mortuary all is centered on that budget. So ideally we are overstretched. That is the right word I can say when it comes to funding. Some things are left undone because of the low funding from the state itself. And there are parameters of assessment when it comes to this funding where I think we are scoring, but I don't know why the funding has remained stagnant.
Abantu hamwe n'abebembezi muri Kagadi nibenda irwaro reri ritungurwe rizaharurengo rwa rifaro okwenda kusiya abantu obuhereza amakuru agagasha kwa Onesmus turi hawe abatare wisto muri Kagadi.
No, not even.